Hi there! In this video, we will cover daily reports. First, select the Reports tab. Select Sales Reports. Then Day-End Report. From here, the date range will automatically be assigned to today's date. You can simply hit Generate Report. Now, we'll see everything invoiced and paid today. It will display the job number, invoice number, registration with the customer, as well as the payment method used. This report will also reference the account customer invoices in addition to what was VATable or non-VATable. Lastly, you will get breakdowns and totals of the sale, VAT and profit figures with the profit percentage too. The day-end report will display other useful data points you may need to keep an eye on, such as refunds created and paid, a month-to-date summary, a VAT summary, anything remaining unpaid, any open supplier returns that have not yet been credited, and supplier credits received. If any products have been sold at or below cost, they will display here. Next, if any invoices have had their dates amended or have been uninvoiced, they will appear here. Lastly, you will be able to view the data on the estimate statistics per user in your system, displaying the net sell, margin and margin percentage. Thanks for watching. For further assistance, feel free to visit our help center to reach out to our support team. We're always here to help.